So it says find an angle given all sides. Okay, so they tell us find the angle alpha for the given triangle if the side A is 20, B is 25, and C is 18. You have to draw your own triangle. I don't usually spend a lot of time drawing it. I just pretty much always draw the same triangle. And then I label it alpha. This time I'm going to go like the book did it, gamma, beta. Sometimes I put beta up there, but it doesn't really matter. You can decide how you want to draw your triangle. And then side A, that's going to be 20. Side B is going to be 25. And side C is going to be 18. And so we had this on the last video where we said cosine alpha was equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc. So that was just taking one of the law of sines, the one that has the alpha in it, and then solving for cosine alpha. Okay, so, and they just ask us to find alpha. They don't ask us to find gamma or beta. They could, but they didn't. Okay, so we'll plug in what we know. Cosine alpha equals, and then b was what, 25 squared plus c, which was 18 squared, minus a, which was 20 squared, all over 2, and then b is 25, and c is 18. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this all in the calculator at once. So alpha is going to equal the inverse cosine of, now, how are we going to put this? We're going to have a parenthesis. We're going to have parenthesis, and then 25. I'm going to take out the other parentheses because I didn't really need them. I'm getting too many parentheses. You have to make sure, though, I'll put it in orange. You have to make sure those parentheses are there to make sure all of the numerator is going to get divided by all of the denominator. So then you're going to hit the division bar, and then you're going to have another set of parentheses. You're going to need that. And inside there you can put 2 times 25 times 18. And then this is going to give us the answer for alpha. And we'll just go one decimal place. Okay, so turn on my calculator, clear it out. I'm going inverse cosine. And then I'm opening a parenthesis. I'm opening another parenthesis. Oops, I got too many parentheses. I had the parenthesis, the original parenthesis. I opened a parenthesis for the numerator. 25, I'm using my square button, plus 18 squared minus 20 squared. I'm right here. I've got to close that off. If I don't, there will be problems. Okay, divided by, open another parenthesis. Now I'm down here, and it'll be 2 times 25 times 18. Close. That closes off the denominator. Close again for the whole inverse cosine thing. So there's a parenthesis right there. Equals. And it says it's about 52.4 degrees. So, and make sure you're in degrees. Okay. So that's the answer for alpha. That's all they wanted. They could have asked for both beta and gamma, but they just didn't.